Hello, good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about the last and fourth stanza of this poem, the Ball poem composed by John Berryman. My dear, earlier we discussed in detail that in what way the boy became sad and shocked for losing his ball, and we also learned that this world is a world of possession. Means here we all like to have something, but my dear, up to some extent, it is not necessary that the things will continue with us. My dear, everything is perishable, nothing is permanent, nothing is constant, and I think you all will agree with the view that whatsoever we have, we may lose it one day. In this regard, here we see, and before discussing the matter, I would like to quote the lines: and no one buys a ball back, money is external. He is learning well behind his disparate eyes the epistemology of loss, how to stand up, knowing what every man must one day know and must know many days how to stand up. My dear, today we have two or three main points to discuss that is very important for all of us. Here we see that in the first line of this agenda he said money is external, and previously we all discussed that money has no capacity to purchase peace and pleasure, perfection, and other perpetual things. Money is only meant for materialistic thing, and we see in what way money satisfies us. Up to some extent of life, we all are seen running behind money and for money because we fulfill our demands, our requirements with the help of money. But my dear, it cannot bring all sorts of pleasure what is required for peaceful life. So the poet says that money is external, but he is learning. He refers to the boy is learning with his disparate eyes. Disparate eyes means sad eyes. Now you may ask the question why his eyes are sad. Sad in the sense because he has lost his very favorite thing, that was his ball. And he is learning, what is learning? How to stand up and how to face the hardship, hard days of life. He is learning well behind his disparate eyes the epistemology of loss. My dear, very technical term is used, is applied by the poet. Epistemology of loss means understanding the nature of loss. It is natural phenomena. It is certain that we lose something without having any assurance of getting something. And it is essential for everyone to understand that it is the law of nature that we shall lose certainly. What it means to lose something. The poet wants to convey his doctrine of human life about the principle of nature that this kind of incident means the action of losing is sure in our life because it is not sure and no guarantee cannot be given by either one that you will not lose anything in your life, as at the end of life we lose our body. The soul departs from here, losing the body. Here in the world, we are losing our moments which we consider very precious, and we see it is nothing but the epistemology of life. And what is the learning? Learning is how to stand up. Knowing that, it means we know that what every man must know. And just in the last line, the poet says, most know. Many of us know it very well that it is inseparable. We cannot avoid the incident of losing in our life, but for that we must learn how to stand up. My dear, this term applied here in the poem epistemology, it is taken from Greek mythology. Epistemo means knowledge. It comes from a word meaning to understand, to know. And in this way, we can say that epistemology is the study of nature of knowledge itself, that we are not in position to avoid nature, natural phenomenon, and the happenings what happen every moment in the universe. We are part and parcel of universe. So what would happen in it will affect us certainly. So we cannot avoid. And now that what should we do? We should know firmly only how to stand up. Means how to become firm in our faith that we shall lose something, but we shall overcome from the pain and grief of this incident. If losing is a kind of action, so what would be its reaction? Its reaction is nothing but only to know how to stand up. My dear, in this way, we finish the poem, the ball poem, and I hope you all have learned it very well that how to stand up in our life in hard days as days are passing nowadays. Thank you.